Hello, this is a video for those who would like a little help with building their school website. The first thing you want to go to is you want to go to the district site, dwd51.org. You want to make sure you're there. And then down here on the left side, you want to click this little icon right here. This will take you to the intranet. And when you get there, you're going to sign in with SchoolPoint. It's going to prompt you to sign in with your email address and your password. Once you are signed in, if you will come up to the top left corner, you will see SchoolPoint CMS. You're going to click that. Okay, so this is where you're really going to get started. You're going to go to your teacher web pages, which you should only have one. And here you're going to be able to edit your web page. You're going to be able to add anything you need to it. You're going to be able to take away things as well, revise information. So first, on this left side, you have your display name, you have any classrooms you want to add. So if you have multiple classrooms, if you teach multiple classes, you can add classrooms there so that students can specifically go to those classes. This is your home page. You can edit your information. You can edit your contact information, which you should always have your email and your phone number. Just the school phone number is fine. There, and then a nice photo of yourself is always nice. Over here is the calendar. You can click on that. You can add information to it, like click on the 23rd, and I can type in Thanksgiving. If you have classes signed up, you can add the classes. And then you can scroll down and you can say today is Thanksgiving and I'm thankful for you. Or you can add whatever you need to. Like if you're adding an assignment, you can add what the assignment is and what students are supposed to do. If there's an event, you can write where the event is, what time it is, and then you can save it. So down here is the bio. You will write your bio, a short bio, down here. I did a separate page for About Me, so this is just my home page. So I just have a real general message here. So it's just basically a welcome to my site type of thing. And I have a picture here and then a little write up, and I'm going to show you how to add a picture in just a minute. So we're not going to worry about that right now. Okay. All right. So these are my pages. On the left, we have important information, student of the month, about me, Remind 101, GATE, and social studies review quiz. So the first thing I'm going to do is edit the important information page. So I'm going to click on that. All right. So as you can see, my information is extremely old. So I need to go in and edit it. So I'm going to just erase all of that. And actually, since it is almost Thanksgiving, I'm going to put a little message up about that. So what I'm going to do is add a picture first. So I'm going to go right here and click image. Now I've already saved my picture. So I'm going to browse my server. I'm going to add files. And then I'm going to go to the desktop. Click on the folder where I saved it. And I saved it on desktop. If you saved it under documents, click documents, of course. If you downloaded something and you saved it under download, click that, of course. I'm going to click that. This is what I'm going to upload. And I got this off of the web, and I did make sure that I could use it for free. So I'm going to open that. It's downloading here. So you'll wait for that to download, and there it is. Now you can change the dimensions here. You want to write an alternative text. So I'm going to write Thanksgiving turkey. That's, I believe, for the hearing impaired. They can't see it. They can click on it and it can tell them what it is. So it's a little big. So I'm going to do it about half that size. And maybe, yeah, that looks great. Not going to worry about these things. Don't need to worry about that. You can align it to the left, to the right. Let's scroll down a little. I guess that's it. To the left, to the right. You want to add a link to that turkey. So like if you had some sort of project you're linking a picture to, you do that there. You don't really need to worry about these other things. Gallery, this just gives you some other pictures you can upload. But I'm good here, so I'm going to press OK. Oh, my turkey is a little wide, so actually I'm going to go back, double click it, and he's a little wide. So I'm going to make him a little smaller. There, that's better. Okay, so now I'm going to go down, and you can make this turkey, you can move him. You don't have quite the range you do with like Microsoft Word, but you can line him left or right. But what I'm going to do is underneath him, I'm going to write something. So these are your text information that you can use, your bold, italics, underline. You shouldn't need all of that. You can, let's see here, you can change the colors. You can like make it be blocked in a color, one color, and written in a different color. I don't need all that. So I'm going to choose a color, and I'm going to choose red. And here are my styles, how I want it to be written. These are my headings. So this is basically like your font size, or what your headings would be. Actually, this would be your font, and this would be your size. So I'm going to Comic Sans. I'm going to do 14. Oops. Go back. Go back and make sure I have everything. Comic Sans 14. And I'm just going to write Thanksgiving holidays are November. Then I'll just write the dates, which I'll need to look those up. And those are 22nd through 24th. And then anything else I wanted to write down. We have a Veterans Day program coming up. I could add information about that, and so on and so forth. So this is just a basic one, getting started. I would come down here, and I'm going to save my page. And it says it's saved successfully. And if you want to check, you can always bring up your website to see. And now I can go through and I can change my student of the month if I would like to. And then I can edit my about me and so on and so forth. But that's just a kind of a getting started with this. So I hope this is very helpful.